Hey folks, I just picked up this little gem yesterday. There's a Milwaukee tool sale going on at our local hardware store, and I bought two of the M18 6.0 high output batteries at 10% off, and they threw this little air compressor in for free. And I gotta say, this thing it's pretty cool. I'm gonna let some air out, hopefully, so that it actually takes a few iterations to fill it. But basically, you just have to program in your pressure that you want, and this is 33 psi, so that's programmed in. And then you thread this little thing on here like so. I'm gonna let some air just bleed out because I want it to have to work a little bit. But anyways, you hook this up till it's tight, hit the go button, and when it reaches target pressure, this will stop flashing and it will shut off all on its own. There it is, all set. That is a beautiful little tool, and for free makes it even better. Normally this is $170, so that was a great deal. Anyways, men and their toys, right?